y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome, my name is Nikki. I'm so glad to have you. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, to snacks and home decor and candles. So if that's what you're into, like I said, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. Guys, and as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways going on. They will both be linked down below. We have our holiday subscriber appreciation and our thrift bag holiday giveaway. So let's get into today's video. We have the December 2019 VellaBox. For those of you that do not know, VellaBox is a candle subscription. Candles to your door. I love it. It is such a great subscription and it is so affordable. It's like, it's really affordable and the quality of the candles is absolutely amazing. I can't say enough about this subscription. So if you are looking for a last minute gift, if you are looking for a gift for yourself, then I definitely recommend VellaBox. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as a promo code to save you $5 off your first box. Now, one thing with VellaBox, they have 3 different levels of subscription. They have a $10 plan and you get a 4-ounce candle. They have a $20 plan where you get an 8-ounce candle, or you could get the $30 plan, which is what I have here, and you receive the 8 and 4-ounce candle. Now, all boxes receive a little bonus gift. So, like I said, that link and promo code will be down below. Definitely check them out. Otherwise, let's get into seeing what we got for December 2019 with our VellaBox. So, there is always a cute little picture when you open it. And I love these little canvas bags they put the 2 different candles in. But this says, "May your holiday be warm and cozy." Aww. And it's like a little cup of hot chocolate. So cute. So I'm going to take the 2 different candles out in their bags. I can see our treat or our bonus item. All right, so we have our card, and this will tell us the information about the candles and our bonus item. So I'm going to start with the bonus item just because it goes so well with the little picture I just showed you, and that is a Ghirardelli hot cocoa mix. This is double chocolate, and it says, "Cozy up with their signature smooth melting taste while knowing they traceably source 85% of their cacao beans or cocoa beans through the Lent and Sprungli farming program." I probably butchered that, but I know this is going to be so yummy. So I'm excited to have that. And it's a cold, very, very windy, and misty, rainy day here today. So this will be wonderful tonight. All right, so to our candles. We are going to start with the 4-ounce candle. The bags are so cute. Little Christmas trees, pine cones. That almost looks like a log, where they've cut. That's cute. All right, so it looks like Banter and Bliss Candle Company is the featured artisan who made both candles. And it says, in addition to their fragrant candles, Banter and Bliss is the premier provider of candle making experiences on the West Coast, with services from workshops to weddings to experimental activations for major brands. That's awesome. They are from San Pedro, California. So our 4-ounce candle is Blue Spruce, and it says the top note is cinnamon, base, cedar wood, pine, and spruce. Inspired by the tradition of cutting down your Christmas tree, this fragrance captures the spirit of the holiday season with a brightness that's sure to put you in a festive mood. So I think it's very cute. Okay. So you can see there, like, it looks like a candle. And it actually smells really, really good. I will be honest, and I think I may have said this in another video. I typically don't care for the like artificial Christmas tree scents. This, however, smells really good. And I do smell the cinnamon, but I do also pick up that like fresh cut Christmas tree, like a real tree. It's not that artificial smell. That smells really, really good. I like that. All right, and then to our 8-ounce candle. Again, also from Banter and Bliss. Ooh, this is pretty. So there is the candle. Holiday Hearth. And it says top note orange spice, base fir and pine. Gather around the fireplace and spend an evening enjoying this classic holiday scent. A cozy fragrance blend infused with orange, vetiver, and pine essential oils. Oh, that seriously smells, oh my gosh. I remember growing up, going to my grandmother's for Christmas, and y'all know y'all's grandma's house, like everyone's grandmother's house had like its own smell. And to this day, I can still remember the way each of my grandmother's homes smelled. And this literally smells like my grandmother's house at Christmas. Just like I literally was just transported to her house as like an 8-year-old. This smells like my grandmother's house at Christmas. It smells fantastic. I love it. The blue spruce, this one smells really, really good, but I'm gonna have to say that this one is my favorite of the two because of that memory, because it brought back. I love it, y'all. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so we have the Holiday Hearth that just, oh, grandma's house at Christmas. Then we have the Blue Spruce. This smells fantastic as well. It just is like cinnamon, but then like I said, fresh cut tree. And then we have some hot cocoa to enjoy while we smell the holidays. So I think this was like the perfect December box for VellaBox as far as the candles and the hot cocoa and just, oh, I love it so much. So like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as that promo code to save you $5 off your first box. And that can be used on any box. It can be used on the $10 box, the 20, or the 30. And guys, I'm telling you, this makes such a great gift, and it makes a great gift to yourself. So like I said, all of that will be down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.